Hi guys, thanks for watching my tutorials. My name is Irina and you are on my crocheting channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made this cord for my open back adorable top. And if you are new here, don't be a stranger, join the family. If you liked this top also, I promise to make tutorial for you. Once tutorial is ready, I will add it to this playlist. Subscribe so you don't miss this tutorial and smash the bell button for receive notifications. For crochet this flat cord strap, we need to repeat only one round pattern as many times as needed to create a crochet cord of the length you need for your crochet top, belt, bag or any other project. Let's begin. Make chain 3. Then make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Three single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Chain 1. Turn the work. In the second round and all next rounds you need to repeat. Skip first chain from the hook and make one single crochet into the first stitch and 3 single crochets into the second stitch from the hook. And finish row with one chain. Also check please my crochet I-cord tutorial for your crochet projects. I leave a link for you on the right upper corner. Crochet I-cord you can use as a straps for your crochet dress, crochet bikinis and crochet tops.